Welcome back to my channel, Any Pilates Physical Therapist. This video is about 14-minute gentle morning stretch that you can do every day or on days you feel very stiff on your spine. So get your mat ready and join me. Lying on your back, gently go down and blow. You take a deep breath. Feel your breaths. Inhale through your nose, engage your core, and blow through your mouth. Take a deep breath again through your nose and blow through your mouth. If there's any increasing pain, inhale and blow, stop, and don't continue. As long as it's just a gentle stretch, that's fine. Let's start with side to side stretch. Slowly lower your right knee down, hands to the side. Follow with your neck motion where your hands are. You take a deep breath through your nose, still belly button in, engaging your core, and blow back to the center. And now you're gonna lower your knees to the left and turn your head to the right. Place your hands away from your knees and your neck towards your hands, and feel this gentle tugging pull on your low back area where you feel the stiffness and achiness when you wake up this morning. You take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow, and then inhale and back to the center and blow. Feel that lovely stretch that you can slowly warm up this morning as you wake up with stiffness and achiness. And blow. So let's prepare our body before going to work or anything you need to do today, activities that you need to be flexible and not in pain. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. Okay, after that lovely twist, we call that twist, and now we're going to do a Piriformis Stretch. Let's start with your left leg. Put it on your right knee, on your ankle area, and then gently push your knee down. Feel the stretch on your low back area. So we're stretching the piriformis muscle, which is a deep muscle, and you take a breath through your nose, belly button in, engage your core, and blow through your mouth. One more breath. You take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. Feel that pull on your hip area. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in, keeping your back in neutral by checking it with the small of your back with your hand and blow. After 3 breaths, let's go to the other leg, your right leg this time. Place it on your knee area, your ankle. You take a deep breath and slowly push your right knee out. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. Feel that lovely pull on your spine because the piriformis muscle starts on your sacrum, which is on your low back area. You take a deep breath again, belly button in, engage your core and blow. Last breath, you take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. One more set on each leg. Left leg again. Gently push it out. You take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. Inhale again, belly button in, feel the stretch and blow. Last one, you take a deep breath through your nose and blow. Now let's go to the right side. Take a deep breath and slowly push your knee out to a figure 4 and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in, engage your core and blow. Feels so good to stretch in the morning. Take a deep breath, last breath and blow. Okay, let's do it again on your left. But this time we're gonna progress. If you can't do this, like lifting both legs towards your chest, then just continue with pushing out your knee on a figure 4. But those who are a little bit more flexible, you can do this to slowly stretch deeper on your back and your piriformis muscles. So you take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. We'll do 3 breaths on this position. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow. Feel that pull deep on your glutes, and then sometimes you feel it on your back area. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow. And pull it closer, and you can lift your shoulders up to slowly pull it more, and then down. That was lovely. Now right side. Take a deep breath through your nose and then slowly bring your knees towards your chest and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in, engage your core and blow. Last one, you slowly go up. Take a deep breath through your nose. Feel the stretch deeper as you go further up with your shoulders. Take a deep breath, belly button in and down, blow. And now put your legs down. Okay, after the piriformis, let's stretch our glutes. So hug your left knee first, pull it towards your chest and hold it there. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow. Keeping your knee bent for now as a warm-up, and then slowly pull it to the side. Feel a stretch on your hip groin area. Take a deep breath back to the center, and then slowly pull it to midline. Feel the tugging stretch on your glutes. Take a deep breath and then back to the center. And now we're going to progress by lowering your right leg. If you're pulling with your left and you feel a stretch here, take a deep breath through your nose. Feel those lovely stretch, and when you breathe and you breathe out, it helps stretch more and relax the muscles with less guarding. Take a deep breath through your nose and down, blow. Now let's go to the right side. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in, and then slowly pull it to the side. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow. And now go back to the center. Take a deep breath and gently go past midline. When you go here towards your chest area, you feel a hip groin stretch and your deep piriformis, and then blow back to the center. And then we're gonna lower your left leg to feel the stretch more in your hip flexors and hold it here. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow. One more breath. Take a deep breath and blow, and slowly go down. And now we're gonna stretch your hamstrings. Lift your left leg up. And in the morning, usually you're stiff after sleeping throughout the night, and you feel your body, especially in the cold day, and it's almost winter. So with this position, it's okay to keep your knee bent, but if you can keep it straight, that's fine as well. When you bend your knee, you stretch your glutes more. Take a deep breath, and then when you keep it straight, stretch your hamstrings more. Your knee is a little bit buckled, especially in the morning. You feel stiffer, and it's almost winter. Body feels tight. It's okay to keep your knee a little bit bent, but if you can keep it straight and try your best, you feel the stretch more on your hamstrings. But if you keep your knee bent, you're stretching more of your glutes area and your spine, and that's fine as well, as long as there's no increasing pain. So you will do another breath here. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and blow. And now gently do some ankle pumps on your left. We'll do it 10 times. 4, inhale, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, with your breaths. 10, and now we'll do circle 1. And now you can slowly keep your knee straight. 2, Feel your ankle movement. Each rotation, gently turn and blow. Belly button in, engage your core muscles. Inhale and blow. Now let's go to the other side. You take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. Keep your body nice and warm with your movements and blow. And now slowly lower it. And now let's go to the right side. Feel that lovely stretch. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow. Try your best to straighten it out if you can, and you can always go back to bent position as you feel a gentle tug and pull. As you slowly loosen up your muscles, and you can pull it closer, feel that lovely stretch, and straighten it out. Inhale, pull it closer to your chest if you can, and blow. And now let's do some ankle pumps with your breaths. Inhale and blow. Feel that lovely pull. And now you can straighten again and bend if you need to. It's okay. It's morning time. It's nice to slowly warm up your body. Take a deep breath and blow. And now let's do circles. Feel that lovely pull on your ankles. There you go. Deep breath and blow, and then reverse on your ankle. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. And now you're gonna put your feet together, your hip groin area. If you can't do this, it's okay to just hold your knees towards your chest, both knees like this. And take a deep breath, and then we're gonna rock side to side to massage your low back area. If you sleep on your spine and your back and you feel stiff there, it's nice to increase the blood flow. This is like a self massage you can do, and you can progress, as I said earlier, with both of your feet together, and then you rock side to side with your breaths. Inhale through your nose and blow. Feel that lovely stretch for your low back, hamstrings and glutes, as well as your hip groin area. And now separate your feet apart with your knees bent. Pull it towards your chest. Feel the stretch more to progress if that's too easy for you. And this is a lovely pull. And you take a deep breath through your nose. Belly button in, rock side to side like a baby, reaching for their toes and feet, and then extend your feet out. Come closer to the middle, take a deep breath and open. Now you feel much more flexible after the warm-up earlier. And you take a deep breath and blow. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and open, and back and down. And that's it, our morning 14-minute stretch that you can do to keep your spine and flexibility before you start your day. Such a lovely stretching. I'm hoping you're feeling so much better. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. I upload every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays/Mondays for videos for Pilates, physical therapy, yoga, health, and wellness. I'm hoping you learn a lot today that you can do something for your spine to keep it healthy. You can also follow me on my social media, my Facebook, Reddit, and Instagram. And I have more down the description box you can check out. Until next time, have a great and healthier you. Bye!